Welcome to the video tutorials of Object-Oriented Programming. This is Rajiv Suthar, Assistant Professor of Sri Swaminarayan Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar. In this session, we will discuss about the Unit 10, that is a list, stack, queue and priority queues. Here the number of topics covered for this session, like collection, iteration, list, the comparator interface, static method for list and collection, vector and stack classes, and we will discuss about queue and priority queues. So what do you mean by collection? First of all, the collection in the Java is a framework that provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. The Java collection can achieve all operations that you have performed on a data, such as a searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation and deletion. Java collection means a single unit of object. Java collection framework provide many interfaces like set, list, queue, dequeue, and classes. Which type of classes cover like array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, hash set, link hash set, and tree set. We all familiar with the list, queue, and dequeue. So this called the collection. Collection is a one type of a framework that provide the architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Here, the hierarchy of collection framework cover the iterable collection. So this is the blue indicate the interface and green indicate the classes. So and this arrow indicate means this dark arrow is indicate the extend keyword and dotted arrow in it used for implements. So we can say that list, queue and set extend collection as well as iterable. So this is the main part, list, queue and set. If you cover the list, all is called the collection and main class is a iterable. So what is the list? List cover the array list, linked list, vector or stack. What is a queue? Queue is a one type of a data structure. We insert the data from one side and delete the data from other side. Last in, first out. First in, first out, that is a queue, and stack, if you cover the stack, so it is a last in, first out. So queue cover the types of queue like priority queue, circular queue, dequeue, and one of the list type of queue that is called the array dequeue. Double-ended queue is called dequeue. So it is one type of array dequeue is a list type. It also implement from linked list. Okay, so this arrow is indicate priority queue implement queue. So this dotted line is used. Same way for a tree. Sorry, for set, two types of set, hash set and link hash set, as well as sorted set is covered tree set. So this is the class and this is the interface. Tree set implement the sorted set interface. Okay. Here the collection interface method that first cover the boolean add capital E small e means it is used to insert the element in this collection. Boolean add all collection is then question mark, so it extend E greater than C. So this concept is used for insert a specified collection element in the invoking collection. Void clear method. This clear method is remove or clear the total number of element from the collection. Boolean contains object element, so it used to search an element. Boolean contains all, So this condition, this is a one type of a condition. It is a Boolean type. So it is used to search the specified collection in the collection. Boolean equals this object, space object, it return true, invoking the collection and object are equal. If collection and object are equal, otherwise it return false. And seventh one, integer hash code. So it return the hash code for invoking the collection. Hash code is nothing but the hexadecimal code. Then Boolean is empty method, it return true if invoking the collection is empty, otherwise it return false. Iterator, iterator is also one method, so it return a iterator. Boolean remove and object, so we remove one instance of object from invoking the collection, it return true if the element was removed from the list from the collection. Boolean remove all, same way this is used for collection. It used to delete all the element of specified collection from invoking the collection. Boolean retain all collection, and this is the condition mark C. It used to delete all the element invoke the collection except the specified collection. And integer size, it return the total number of element in the collection. Object, this is the array, to array method. So it return an array that contain all elements stored in the invoking collection. The array element are copy of collection items. List interface extend the collection and declare the behavior of collection that store a sequence of elements. List is nothing but it is one type of a collection. So it interface and it extend collection. Element can be inserted or accessed by their position in the list using zero base index. We have to use the zero base index. A list may contain the duplicate elements. List is a generic interface with following declaration. This is the declaration of list. So you have to use the interface keyword, then list. This is the list. Okay. In between less than and greater than, you can use the list of elements where E specified the type of object. Here E is a type of object. Here one example for a list. So you require the import java.util.star public class list demo public static void main string argument s. Here we are creating a list. So list, this is the integer type. L1 is equal to new array list integer, because we are using the type. Here the type is used. This method means this create a instance of list. Then we are add one at a zero index. Each and every list start with the zero index. So like this is the output, but here assume this first element is stored at a zero position, because each and every array starting from zero, we are using the array, and every array stored the value from zero location. L1 dot add 0 1, second element add 2 at a 1 index. So L1 dot add 1 comma 2. System dot out dot println L1 creating the another list. So list integer L2 is equal to new array list integer. While we are creating the second list, so L2 dot add is required. Here L1 dot add we are using L2 dot add 1. Then L2 dot add 2, L2 dot add 3 will add list L2 from in one index. L1 dot add all, so 1 comma L2. all the element will be add. System.out.println L1, remove element from index 1. We are removing the element, so here L1 dot remove in the bracket 1 is required. System.out.println L1, L1 will be printed. Then print element at index 3. System.out.println L1.get 3. Replace 0 index, that replace the element with 5. L1.set 05 means in place of 0 index first location we have to change the element, whatever here first element is a 5, but we are changing 1 with the 5. So 1 in place of 1 there will be 5. System.out.println L1, so this array list will be displayed. Okay, so this type of output will be generated whenever we create the example of a list interface. This is the list interface method. You have to use the void add integer index or object, that is the object type. So insert the object into the invoking list at an index, pass in the index any pre-existing element at or beyond the point of insertion are shifted up. Thus no element are overwritten. You can use the boolean add all, object, get integer index, index of, and last index. This type of a method also use. List iterator is one method. It return the iterator to start the invoking a list. Same way list iterator with argument. So it return the iterator to invoke the list begin with specified index. Here argument means here the particular index is given. Integer index is particular index, but here not a given. Same way for remove, you have to apply the particular index. Same way we applied here, like we set the element at a 0 location. So L1 dot set, this is the location where we want to replace the element, and which element is replaced? 5. So same way this method is used. Object, then set integer index means we are using 0, and object is new object that assign the object to the location. Here 0 is particular location for this object. Object is a 5 in our previous example. Iterator we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you for attending this session.